Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today is August 27th. It is 5:18 Eastern Standard Time. Today I want to show you a trading opportunity that happened last night in the world of Forex. What happened was the strategy or bot, whatever you want to call it, took about 40, close to 50 positions in a span of 6 minutes because the market activity, actually it's more than that, 80, about 78 positions to be exact, positions in about 7 minutes. So I'm doing some analysis here, which is really this guy right here. I'm going to show you how this works. First, if you're interested in this stuff, if you pop over to the quantlabs.net store, there's two options you would have. You want to know how to write these things. Choose the Python course because this shows you the basics of how to set this up. And this course will walk you through how to set it all up using this charting library in Python. If you're interested in the signals themselves, the Quant Analytics service is good too. That's on a monthly basis. So going back to the chart, what we have here, it's last night, August the 28th, in around right here. And then right here as well. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars. Now don't ask me how, but my system, just as it was resetting for the day, picked up this candle. I'm going to assume this is what happened. Picks up this candle. This is a 5-minute chart. And then there's this big candle. I've talked about this before. These big candles, or the wicks, this is a classic reversal, usually. And then for the next 5-10 minutes, this happened. And then this happened as well. So what I'm saying is, if over the span of maybe 10 minutes, there are about, as I said, 78 positions taken on. Up until this point, you're going to have to cash out as this bar and this bar starts, or positions start to go negative, as you can see here, 5-10 minutes later, which they did. And it happened so fast, it's hard to even watch it. So this puts you in a position of, well, I've done the complete analysis over, I think it was in a span of 7-8 minutes. So somewhere it started here on the left here, this box, and ended somewhere on the right here. And I'm sure some of these open positions, as the bar went up, there was some losing. About half of them were losing. In actual fact, up until the point for pips. Now, I used to target things in rate of change and use that as a target potential for daily target move. And I've quickly realized that's not in the world of retail Forex, might not be the best way to look at it. So I'm now looking at things in pips. So initially when I did the analysis, I was trying to figure out at what point is it safe to say, okay, I made enough, shut down this strategy for the day. And this is just like within 5 minutes after midnight strikes. And first I thought, okay, wouldn't it be better to take 10 pips and just leave it at that and shut down the system? So I dug in the analysis, and I figured 10 realistically is a little high. So now I'm setting it potentially at 5 pips. So I'm interested to hear about people's comments. This is using hourly data, but it's checking every 2 minutes, I believe, on that data. And the entries are pretty good for the timing. But in terms of exits, the hard part. So I just figured the safest way is to take 5 pips, leave it at that, test it for the remainder of the week, and then say if this pattern holds, do I just say, okay, take 5 pips for the day, shut down the trading, and reset again midnight my time, Eastern Standard Time? If that's the case, that's what I'm going to do. And if this is a predictable pattern I can achieve every day, I will start playing with leverage because there's no leverage involved here. And if this is consistent, I don't see why I would want to maximize that leverage. So we'll see. But just something I thought I'd put out there, and wanted to get people's opinions on using something like 5 pips a day as a daily target to shut down your trading and then uh, move on and wait it out for the next day. And we shall talk to you later. Have a good day. Later.